Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a virtual card with the Citi mobile app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Citi mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Look for the option labeled Virtual Cards. Tap on this option to start the setup process. You will see a prompt to create a new virtual card. Select Create Virtual Card. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. If you agree, check the acceptance box. Tap Continue to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security code. Check your email or text messages for the verification code. Enter the code into the provided field. After verification, you will be directed to the virtual card setup screen. Choose the spending limit you wish to set for your virtual card. Take a moment to confirm your choices. Tap Submit to finalize the creation of your virtual card. Your new virtual card will be displayed on your screen. Make sure to note down the card number and expiration date for future use. You can also save the virtual card to your mobile wallet for easy access. To manage your virtual card settings, return to the Virtual Cards section. From here, you can view transactions, adjust limits, or deactivate the card if needed. Congratulations, your virtual card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.